Hello everyone, my name is Faqih Shofwanul Fawwaaz. Today I would like to introduce myself and share about my favorite pet, which is the cat. Among many animals, I think cats are really special and have so many interesting sides. The reason why I like cats because they are cute, adorable, and can really improve my mood whenever I feel tired or not in good mood. Just watching a cat sleeping or playing around can make me smile. Cats also have very unique behavior. Sometimes they are so clingy, asking for cuddles, but other times that they can act very independent, as if they don't care. That what makes me fascinating, sweet, but also a little more mysterious. Talking about their advantages, cats are actually very clean animals. They often lick their fur to keep themselves tidy. If they are trained, they can even use the same spot or a little box to go to the bathroom. Cats are also quiet, easy to care of. They don't need very large space like big dogs. Just give them food, love, and attention, and they will grow happily. Another interesting fact is that many studies show having a cat can reduce stress and make people feel more relaxed. So cats are not only fun to play but also good for our mental health. So in short, cats are my favorite pets because they are so cute, clean, easy to take care of, looks adorable, and they make wonderful companions. If you also have a cat, you surely know how warm and lovely it feels like to be around them. That's all from me. Thank you very much and watching, and I hope we can still love and take care about our pets better. Actually from a cat. See you and thank you. So bye.